So hi everyone, today is day 17 of my 21-day CTM skin challenge, and today we are doing amazing mask which is called rice mask. It's a Korean secret recipe mask, and I hope so that you all will love this mask. I'm using this Inatur Silky Skin face wash today. This much amount is more than enough. Start massaging in upward strokes. You can take a little bit of water if you wish to, because sometimes you can't get that kind of foam on your face. Don't go too close around your eye area or on top of your eyelid area. Start massaging the face wash onto your neck now. Okay, so I'm done. Please go and wash your face now. So I'm taking my cotton pad. I'm using this toner, which is Inatur Aqua Rose Toner. Take out your toners and start applying it onto your face. I've done around 7 to 10 pumps on my face, and it really smells divine. If you have applied your toner by mistake onto your eyelid, you can just clean it so that it should not go inside your eyes. Never ever apply your face pack while your toner is still wet. Let your toner dry for some time, maybe in a minute or two, and then apply your face mask. So today is day 17 and I have prepared this amazing secret mask which Koreans do for their glass looking skin, and it has amazing properties. So first, let's start applying it and I'll start telling you what are the benefits of this mask. So this is a rice mask, and Koreans, Japanese really use rice in their cosmetics, in their skincare products, because rice has amazing anti-inflammatory properties in it, and it is great for sensitive skin. It tightens up your pores, it brightens your skin, it improves collagen into your skin. You can't reduce your aging, but at least you can slow down the process. And it will remove your dead skin cells, and your skin will be absolutely brighten up, and it will be super soft. It's a natural exfoliator to your skin. You should not talk. Always apply this mask in upward strokes. For normal to dry skin, I have taken 2 teaspoons of rice flour, 2 teaspoons of all-purpose flour, which is maida, 1 teaspoon of fresh cream, which is malai. I have mixed all the ingredients together and made a fine paste. For normal to oily skin, I have taken 2 teaspoons of rice flour, 2 teaspoons of chickpea flour, which is besan, and 1 teaspoon of curd. I have mixed all the ingredients together and made the paste. Your pack should never be too thick, or it should not be too runny. If you do not have this particular face pack brush, it's okay guys, you can apply it with the help of your fingers like this. Start applying this face mask onto your neck in upward movements. Don't allow this face mask to dry 100%. Wash this face mask after 5 minutes. Never ever avoid your neckline. This mask will also remove your suntan and will give you a brightened complexion, evens out your dark spots. You can apply it on your hands, on your full body. It's an amazing mask. Now please recheck your mask. And while applying all these DIY homemade recipe masks, it is a small tip that before applying it onto your face and neck, please do a patch test behind your ear so that you should know that this pack is not at all allergic to you. Because sometimes maybe few ingredients whatever we have added in this face mask can give you some kind of allergy. So it's better that do a patch test before applying it onto your skin. You can also apply this face mask on the back of your hand, on your full hand, on your elbows, everywhere. So let's wait for good 5 minutes. Keep on checking your face mask. Please don't apply your face mask on your under eye area or on your eyelid. Go and wash your face, please. So I washed my face and here is my skin after this mask. I can feel it's very soft and very supple. Take out your moisturizer. I'm using my Clinique Dramatically Different moisturizer today. This much moisturizer is more than enough. Apply it onto your full face, rub your massager, and now start massaging the moisturizer onto your skin. Even on your forehead, go in upward movements like this. Penetrate your product well into your skin. Don't leave it just on the surface. Take out your under eye cream now. I'm using today my Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. I'm taking a little bit of cream on my ring finger and I'm applying now small dots. And now start using your dabbing movements so that your cream should go into your skin. Be gentle, don't give too much of pressure. Okay, now take out your lip balm. I'm using my Laneige lip balm today. And I'm done. Yes, Bhavya, do you want to say something about this mask?
Amazing results, and my skin is feeling much better. Seriously, your DIYs are best.
Thank you so much.
I'm just smiling. आपने जैसे बोला ना बिल्कुल स्किन सॉफ्ट एंड सपल लग रही है तो आई वाज लाइक स्माइलिंग कि आप तो मेरी स्किन के बारे में बता रहे हो बिल्कुल सॉफ्ट और ऐसे सपल से मतलब इतना स्मूथ लग रहा है फेस मतलब मॉइस्चराइजर की भी जरूरत नहीं थी with the right products and the right technique to do skin is feeling very good.
Thank you, Nilisha. Thank you so much.
You're most welcome. I'm feeling so softy and lots of glow. I'm loving it.
आज के मास्क के बाद मेरे ख्याल से मॉइस्चराइजर की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. It's like a moisturizer only. I also added the raw milk with cream.
Okay, so you are happy with this DIY homemade recipe mask?
Yes. Thanks to you.
You are most welcome.
As you can see, there's a lot of change here.
Yeah.
On my cheek and my nose because it was really dehydrated, or I can feel the tighten in my skin. So it's really good. Thank you.
Thank you, darling. Thank you so much. If you are watching my video for the very first time, I would tell you to go to my day 1 and start doing 21 days CTM with me. I promise you that you will see the difference in your skin, and not only you, everybody around you will see the difference in your skin and will compliment you. We have done with day 17 of 21 day CTM skin challenge. I hope so that you have liked my video. So do not forget to hit the like button, and of course you have to subscribe to my channel. Bye everyone. Take care of yourself. See you tomorrow.